Okay, students, today we are going to discuss the next topic, job design in the third unit. Third unit, job design. Job is the process of designing the course. Approaches to job design are engineering approach, human relations approach, job characteristic approach, and etc. Job characteristic model, job characteristic, psychological need, outcome, task significance identification. Factors affecting the job designing are environmental factor, organizational factor, behavioral factor. Organization factors, task structure, workflow, ergonomic workplaces, environmental factors, method of techniques of job design, work simplification, job rotation, job enlargement, work scheduling, job bandwidth, and then job enrichment. Job enrichment loads the job vertically. Job loading, techniques of job enrichment, increasing the responsibility of the activity, providing wider scope, more sequence and increased path, allowing the employee to set their own standard or target, providing the employees and control of the information, steps in job enrichment, selecting these jobs which permit close relations, concentration on the motivational factors, trying to change the content of the job rather than the changing the employee. Principle of job enrichment is change the aimed at the enriched job, motivating generated by making periodic report, introducing new and more difficult tasks not previously handled. Characteristics of an enriched job is direct feedback, client relationship, new learning. Traditional work and knowledgeable work are the slide shows the tabulation. So next we are going to discuss about the human resource management. Human resource management is the concept, functions, objectives, case studies. Without human resource management, we cannot run any business or any industries. HRM is the most important functions in the organization designated to maximize employee performance. Human resource management and development. HRM is the process of making the efficient and effective use of people so that the organization and individual goals are achieved. So it is a mixture of recruitment, employment, and motivation and rewards. Vital principles of HRM were used in prehistoric time, mythological event, promote welfare of the people, make justice, destroy evil, property rights, personal issues. Some other ancient instance in the first century Roman philosopher, the original of labor, the revolutionary era, the stock market crash and the Great Depression, Taylor's scientific management, the health scientists, laws, and the personal management system (HRM). George Elton Moyer's Harvard studies was credited to the human relevant management. So the slide shows about the various activities of human resource activities. Scope of HRM is the introduction of HRM, employee hiring, employee remuneration, employee motivation, etc. HR function is managerial function, planning, organizing, directing, controlling. Operative function, employment functions of HRM, managerial function, operative function, advisory function. Managerial function, planning, organization, directing, controlling. Managerial function. Planning it determine how the organization should move from its current manpower position to the desired manpower position. The need reason for HRB employment, unemployment situation, technological change, organizational change, demographic change. Planning 4 phases: gathering of information, 5 phases of human resource planning: analyzing, forecasting, planning, implementing, evaluating. These are all the 5 phases. Organizing is a process by which the structure and allocation of job are determined. It involves giving the each subordinate. Staffing, it is a process by which management select, train, promote and retire their subordinates. Directing function, leading is the process of activating group effort to achieve the desired goal. Controlling is the process of setting standards for the performance. Operative functions are those which are relevant to the specific department. The functions include procurement, development, etc. So the diagram slide shows the various operations, that is functions of human resource management. Operative functions, it involves procuring the right kind of people in appropriate number to be placed. Operative functions is the involves activities meant for the improving the knowledge, skill, aptitude and values of employee. Cooperative compensation functions involve departmentation, determination of wages and salaries, matching with the contributing. Several social security measures such as provident fund, pension, gratuity, group insurance, etc. Significant role and need of objective of HR to create sense of and feelings to ensure. So objective of to develop overall personality and then to secure. There are lot of objectives of in the human resource HRM: planning, recruitment, selection, orientation, training, performance appraisal, completion, benefit, safety. Role of HR manager, operation role. Administrative role: timekeeping, salary, wage and administration, maintenance of record, human engineering, relationship. Firefighting role: grievance handling, settlement of dispute, management of welfare services, management of canteen, cooperative source, transport. These are all the role of HR manager. Personal versus HRM. The tabulation shows the relationship or the comparison between the personal and HRM. Human resource planning. So with this, we are concluding this topic, and then in the next session, we will discuss about the further topics or importance of human resource management. Feature personal need, coping with the change, creative, highly talented personnel, protection of weaker section, international strategies. So if you have any doubt, you can raise your questions. Otherwise, we will conclude the session.